ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. We're gonna go spread your legs. We're gonna warm up, all right?
Alright.
And everything is gonna be for 10 seconds. So let's reach down, touch the floor, hold it for 10 seconds.
That hurts.
No. So hold it. 1. Let's count.
1,
2,
3,
4,
5,
6,
7,
8,
9,
9,
10.
10. Okay. Let's go to the left.
Wait.
Is that your left or is that your right?
Yeah.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
1. Left arm. Grab by your elbow. Stretch.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Let's loosen it up a little bit. You want to do that? You want to do
That
those? Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay.
1,
Go, give it a little
2,
second. Give it a second.
3, 4,
Gonna wait for me.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
So let's go jump.
20
jacks.
20 jumping jacks. Go.
Okay, hold on.
1.
Wait.
Okay.
Feet together, arms together. Right?
And then
And start. So on count of 3. So ready, set.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
See how you messed up?
11.
Hold on, let's get this. Nope. Those don't count. Those count. Legs back together. And we're gonna start from 10. Remember,
10,
out.
11,
Everything's out, right.
12.
Okay, let's go down. Come on, let's sit down.
No, he said I'm sitting for
Let's sit down and butterfly. For 10. Okay?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
But now hold
7.
on. You gotta press down.
Oh, like that? Oh.
Yeah, press down with your arms. Press it down. And now grab your ankles.
1,
Right.
2,
Yeah,
3,
press down. Yeah.
4, 5, 6, 7,
9, 10.
8. Ow.
Okay. Let's get one extended. The left leg.
I know.
Do your left.
1. Wait, hold on.
Left.
This one.
That's your right. Left. Thank you.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8,
9, 10. Come on.
Seven, 8, 9, 10.
Good
Run
job.
around the circle. Now time to run around the circle, guys.
100 push-ups. We doing push-ups.
No. Just sit up. Just
No, we're doing push-ups.
sit up.
Cause you fat, bro.
Okay.
You wanna do them when you hit each other hand? So, if I do a push-up.
Oh no, not that. I know if you do that, jump cut.
Yeah, you wanna do that? Or just do your push-up?
No, no.
Watch your Straight. Straight. Right. Go down. Three. Make sure you're breathing. Counting. Come, watch me, right? Your back is going down. Watch your back. How many you did? Look at me. Alright? Oh.
I can't do that. My back is probably on the floor.
Arms. So give me 5. So good. 2, good. 3, good. 4, good. Last one.
No.
Good job.
No.
One more. Six.
That's it.
One more.
One more.
One more. Go down. Good job. Gotta work them out.
3 around light jog.
For a light jog.
For a light jog.
Let's go. Ready to go.
Increasing speed.
Let's do it. Last one. Good. All right, so remember what we do at basketball practice? We get high knees, okay? So we're gonna get high knees from here to the end of the circle, and then you're gonna do high knees coming back. Ready? Go. High knees. High. High. Put your hand behind your back. Butt kicks. Right. Let's do what's it called? Karaoke. Ready? 1, 2.
Okay, there's something.
Okay. Make sure you always get a good grip, okay? Because this arm was real loose. Got it? You're doing good though.
Thanks for watching my workout. Don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye.